Progress.
Hello, this is Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions, and I thank you for your time. I want to introduce you to my new do it yourself guide called How to Complete and Submit the Form 990E Postcard. How to Complete and Submit the Form 990N Postcard. I created this 15-page tutorial to guide you through the steps of completing the Form 990N Postcard and submitting it to the Internal Revenue Service. So, what is the Form 990N Postcard? All nonprofit organizations must submit a Form 990 information return every single year. There are 5 different types of Form 990 information returns. The Form 990N postcard is one of the 5 types. You use this type of Form 990 when your revenues generated are between $0 and $50,000. So if your nonprofit organization generated in any form grants, fundraising, donations, unrelated business income, merchandise sales, whatever the case is, between $0 and $50,000 last year, then you are eligible to use the Form 990N postcard to submit your financial information to the IRS. You have to do it every single year. If you fail to file the appropriate Form 990 information return for 3 consecutive years, the IRS automatically revokes your nonprofit's 501c3 status. You don't want that to happen. Now, I complete the Form 990N postcard for my clients who hire me to do it. And when I complete the Form 990N postcard for clients, I complete it. I send them a confirmation of filing to the IRS for their records. My fee to do that is $50. However, if you want to learn how to do it yourself, this do it yourself guide is only $20. $20 to download this guide, print it. I recommend printing it. It's 15 pages so that when you complete the steps, you can check off the steps on your hard copy printout of the document, of the guide. Also, there is a bonus in the guide. There's a free video demonstration included. On page 15 of the guide, I have a link to a video that I recorded showing you the steps that I use to complete the Form 990N postcard for one of my nonprofit organizations that did not generate more than $50,000 last year. The video actually shows you the steps that I used to file my own Form 990N postcard for a nonprofit organization that I founded. So again, if you want to learn how to complete and submit the Form 990 postcard for your nonprofit organization because it generated between $0 and $50,000 last year, then this is the perfect guide for you. It's only $20. And guess what? Once you learn how to do it, you can do it every single year going forward. Do it yourself. DIY guide. Now, let me say one thing before I let you go. I keep emphasizing $0 because a lot of times people think that, well, we're not even doing anything. We only have $0. We haven't done any work. That's fine. You have to tell the IRS that. You have to let the IRS know that your nonprofit organization generated $0. You have to file something to let the IRS know that you still want to retain the 501c3 designation for your organization. You still have to let the IRS know you want to keep it. And the perfect way to do that is to file the Form 990N postcard. Even if you didn't make any money, even if you're not doing anything, you still have to let the IRS know that you want to keep your status. And the best way to do that is to file the Form 990N postcard. Again, I'm Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. You can find me on my website at www.trustsusanwoods.com. That's www.trustsusanwoods.com. Now use the link below to purchase this DIY guide so that you can learn how to complete and submit the Form 990 e-postcard for your nonprofit organization. The deadline has passed, but the IRS is still accepting late submissions. Thank you for your time and have a great day.